Good morning, guys. What time is it? It's 9:40 in the morning, and there's a car meet by the favorite place we like to go and get our products at to clean our cars. I like their products, but I haven't washed my car in like a month. Like, I don't know when the fuck I'm gonna clean it, but it's been like a month or so. But anyways, that's where we're headed right now. The shoe wants to rev his engine, but I swear to God, he just turned it on like a minute ago. I think this is a bad idea. Like, let me see. Never mind, it's already warm. Wow. It's already warm.
Let's go over there.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you coming?
Yeah, I'm about to go pick up my friend too.
Hey, he's going too.
Oh, you over there? Yeah. All right.
Better have that thing in first gear. What the fuck? It's like... Easy with the corn juice. I got spattered all over the place. Why is there a pig? Interesting. Alright guys, I'll meet you guys there.
Alright, so what happened, Fish?
I was driving to go pick something up from at work at another McDonald's, so I have to go to Felicita. So I got on the on-ramp to go to Felicita by the mall. And next thing you know, my fucking car went like this. Like when I was turning, all I hear is fucking car in the back. My fucking car like flipped it like a 180.
Scary?
Yeah, I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna crash into something. Luckily, nothing happened. And then when it got new fucking tires, I was like, maybe it's time I get rid of the old ones.
Damn.
What about the front though?
No, the front is still, the guy said it was still good.
I would have got some in the front too.
I didn't have time to do it.
You'll be alright, Fishy. You'll be alright. Well, see, I spun out because I hit it.
Oh, you were trying. You were trying.
And I just let it
Was
go.
he in the car?
No. It was on my way from work.
All right.
So the coast was clear, man.
You would have
Alright.
got it killed. They were like,
Damn. Make sure this thing doesn't fly off, man.
I know, I use lock nuts. Not lug nuts, but the lock nuts.
Lock nuts. You made it. You made it. I think you're a little too close to the Lancer. Go back. Go back. Go back. Ah, he got it. He got it. There. Dude. I miss this car, man.
A Lamborghini.
Oh damn.
A Lamborghini.
Hey, this is his Lamborghini right here.
No.
No? That's not a Lamborghini?
You like these ones right here?
No.
How about the mirror? Would you have purple mirrors on your
No.
Lambo? No.
Alright, how about this?
Tell me.
2, 3, 6, 9. Thanks for watching.
Peace.